Kamusta yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this video I will show you how to make a forearms armor from Benton Reboot Season 4. This Benton creation also functions as a flashlight, so I hope that this will wow you Benton fans, especially if your favorite Omnikix transformation from the series is forearms. Okay, let's start the tutorial. Print the template and cut all the pieces. For the arm piece to be durable, we will be using cardboard. As you can see, I added extra width onto each side so that I can actually fit my fist into the armor. Bend and shape the cardboard with the help of a cup. After that, glue the ends together. Similar with the A piece, I cut out this shape and turned it into cardboard. This segment will be put into the arm piece, but before we glue them together, I covered both of them with black EVA foam. Moving on, I then installed the lights onto this cardboard piece and wired it to 3V batteries and switch. If you've been in my channel long enough, you will know that this creation is actually the first ever craft I made that involves electric parts, so if you like this idea and you want to see more basic yet fun electric stuff in the channel, please let me know in the comment section. Once that's all set up, I then glued this piece into this area. I then took the arm piece and cut out this part where the second light will be put into place. After that, I inserted this piece here and super glued them together. As you can see, the lights work pretty well, so let's now jump into the designing part. Once the paint dried, I then glued this shape here. With EVA foam, I cut out these pieces and placed them accordingly. For this step, you can use any material you want. Finally, I cut out these shapes and used plastic sheets to protect the LEDs. see, it was pretty easy to make, so I hope that you guys will enjoy crafting your own forearms armor as much as I did. Now before we end this video, shout out to these creative Yo fam for sharing with us their awesome creations. If you also want your inventions to be featured in the next video, feel free to DM me on Instagram and send me a photo of your DIYs. I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon!